Would you believe that within just 1 hour after waking up, your risk of stroke could double? Simply because of a few common morning habits. Many people think strokes come out of nowhere, with no warning signs. But the truth is, the small things you do every single morning could silently open the door for a stroke to strike. In today's video, I'll share with you 7 morning habits that seem harmless but are actually dangerous for your brain, especially if you're over 40. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also show you what to do instead, so you can protect yourself from the risk of stroke. Habit number 1, jumping out of bed too quickly. Do you wake up and immediately jump out of bed? It feels normal, but it's more dangerous than you think. While you sleep, your blood pressure and heart rate naturally drop. If you stand up suddenly, blood doesn't have time to reach your brain properly. This sudden change can cause dizziness, fainting, and in people with existing conditions, even a ruptured blood vessel in the brain. Solution: when you wake up, take 1 to 2 minutes to stretch. Move your hands into your legs and slowly sit up before standing. This simple step helps your heart and brain adjust, lowering the risk of an early morning stroke. Habit number 2, drinking strong coffee on an empty stomach. Coffee in the morning feels like a lifesaver. But if you drink it on an empty stomach, especially when it's too strong, it can spike your blood pressure, speed up your heart rate, and tighten your blood vessels. For people with high blood pressure or high cholesterol, this can become the perfect trigger for a stroke. Solution: don't drink coffee right after waking up. Eat something light first, or start with a glass of warm water to gently wake up your system. Habit number 3, smoking first thing in the morning. Many people light up a cigarette as soon as they wake up. But did you know this is like delivering a direct blow to your blood vessels? After a long night of sleep, oxygen levels in your blood are lower. Smoking right away causes nicotine and toxins to thicken your blood, tighten your arteries, and increase clot formation, one of the main causes of stroke. Solution: the best choice is to quit smoking completely. But if you can't yet, at least avoid lighting up first thing in the morning. Habit number 4, skipping breakfast or eating too much salt. Skipping breakfast can drop your blood sugar levels, leaving your brain starved of energy. On the other hand, eating a salty breakfast, like instant noodles, processed meats, or pickled foods, can cause your blood pressure to skyrocket, putting enormous pressure on the arteries in your brain. Both habits raise your risk of stroke, especially if you already have hypertension. Solution: always eat breakfast. Choose foods high in fiber and low in salt, like oatmeal, boiled eggs, or fresh vegetables. Habit number 5, drinking too much alcohol the night before. After a night of heavy drinking, your body wakes up dehydrated, and your blood becomes thicker. This makes it easier for clots to form. Not surprisingly, many strokes happen in the morning, right after a night of alcohol. Solution: limit alcohol as much as possible. If you do drink, make sure to rehydrate with plenty of water and avoid strenuous activities the next morning. Habit number 6, not drinking water in the morning. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body naturally loses water through breathing and sweating. This makes your blood thicker and slows down circulation. If you skip water in the morning and go straight to coffee or tea, you increase your risk of blocked arteries and stroke. Solution: drink 1 glass of warm water right after waking up, before breakfast. It's the easiest way to refresh your body and protect your blood vessels. Habit number 7, exercising too hard right after waking up. Exercise is great for your health, but if you push too hard right after waking up, your heart and blood vessels aren't ready yet. This sudden pressure can spike your blood pressure and lead to a stroke. Solution: always warm up first. Start with light stretches or a short walk for 5 to 10 minutes before moving on to more intense exercise. If you have heart or blood vessel problems, stick to moderate activity only. So as you can see, stroke doesn't just happen out of the blue. Often, it's the small habits you repeat every morning that quietly push you closer to danger. Remember these 7 habits to avoid: jumping out of bed too quickly, drinking strong coffee on an empty stomach, smoking in the morning, skipping breakfast, or eating too much salt, drinking alcohol the night before, not drinking water after waking up, exercising too hard when you first wake up. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends, because prevention saves lives. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips on recognizing and preventing stroke.